Hello all my students, welcome to Nayak classes video lectures. First of all, I am going to congratulate you for passing 9th standard with flying colors. Secondly, you are in 10th of Maharashtra Board SSC. So accept my congratulations and let us start our first lesson of algebra, equations with two variables. The standard form of equation with two variables is ax plus by is plus c is equal to 0, or ax plus by is equal to c. The main condition is a should not be equal to 0 and b should not be equal to 0, since if a becomes 0, it will be 0x plus by is equal to c, which is not a equation with two variables. Secondly, if ax plus 0y is equal to c, this is not also a equation with two variables, since one variable is vanishing. So there are seven equations on page number 1. Let us check which is our required, which is having our required parameter. 4m plus 3n is equal to 12. This has got two variables and it is having the degree 1. So it is a equation with two variables. Second is 3x square minus 7y is equal to 13. You can check there, the degree of x is becoming 2. So this is not a equation with two variables. Third one, it is root 2x plus root 5y is equal to 16. It is a equation with two variables. If this will be like this, to root 2x plus root 5y is equal to 16, this is not a equation with two variables, since variables are under the root. Fourth one is 0x plus 6y is equal to is equal to 0. Since first variable has become 0, it is not a equation with two variables. Next is this is also not a equation with two variables, since the middle one has become 0. Next one is 4 upon x plus 5 upon y is equal to, it is 4. This can be written as 1 by 4x plus 1 upon 5x, 4 1 upon x plus 5 1 upon y is equal to 4. When variable goes in the denominator, the power becomes negative. So it is not a equation with two variables. Now we are checking the simultaneous equations. When you take two equations, two linear equations with two variables, they are called simultaneous equations. For example, if we take 5x plus 3y is equal to 10 and 7x plus 2y is equal to say 15. When two equations are taken at the same time and we try to solve them, it is called simultaneous equations. Simultaneous equations can be solved with four types. There are four types of solving. There are four methods of solving simultaneous equations. So there are four methods of solving the simultaneous equations. One is by equating coefficients and then elimination. Equating the coefficients and elimination. Second is elimination by substitution. Elimination by substitution. Third is graphical method. And fourth is Cramer rule. Don't worry, I will explain each and every method in detail so that you can understand very easily and you can solve it within a moments. So these are the four methods we use to solve the simultaneous equations. Students, we are learning now first method of solving simultaneous equations. First method is equating the coefficients and then elimination. The first one you have studied in 8th standard as well as in 9th standard. You can check two equations here. Both have same coefficients and they are positive. So definitely positive and same we have to subtract. See the thing I am doing here. So equation 1 subtract from 2. So 3x plus 7y is equal to 5 minus 3x plus 5y is equal to 7. So minus, these two will cut. This is 2y is equal to minus 2. Therefore, y is equal to minus 2 upon 2 and y is equal to minus 1. You know what to do now. This value of y we have to put in any equation. So put y is equal to minus 1 in say 1. So 3x plus 5 into 1 minus 1 is equal to 7. Therefore 3x minus 5 is equal to 7. Therefore 3x is equal to 7 plus 5. So 3x is equal to 12. And lastly x is equal to 12 upon 3. So x is equal to 4. So the solution of first equation is going to be solution set. It is 4 and minus 1. You know, always the value of x should be first in the bracket and after that the value of y. So this is the simple method we studied in 9th and 8th standard. What to do in this case? See, here it is 1. which cannot be shown, but we can solve it by equating the coefficient. How? Multiplying equation 1 by 3. So it will be 3x plus 15y is equal to 21. This is third equation. Now compare with 2. It is 3x again. So subtract equation 2 from 3. So 3x plus 15y is equal to 21 minus 3x plus 7y is equal to 5. Minus sign will change. These two will get cancelled and we will get 8y is equal to 16. 8y is equal to 16. So y is equal to 16 upon 8. So y is equal to 2. And further the procedure is same. Put the value of y in any of these equations. Put a value, that is y is equal to 2 in say 1. So it will be x plus 5 into 2 is equal to 7. So x plus 10 is equal to 7. Therefore x is equal to 7 minus 10. Therefore x is equal to minus 3. Our solution set for these two simultaneous equations will be minus 3 and 2. This is the method which is called equating the coefficients. We equated the coefficients here. It was only 1. We brought 3. And then we used the previous method. Correct? So this is called equating the equations, equating the coefficients and eliminating them.